Hey guys, James with Mac Life, and what we're going to go ahead and do here is today this video is going to be about removing adware from your computer. Now adware is one of the #1 call drivers that Apple Care representatives in the CPU department do get. So hopefully this will be able to help them out and also help us out as customers in being able to get this issue resolved fairly quickly and being able to do it very efficiently. So there is what a lot of people mistaken for adware, viruses, and pop-ups. There's a difference between each thing. A virus will attack your computer. You will not receive a warning about it. So when you get a big flash pop-up that says, warning, your computer has a virus, go ahead and call this number. And when you call that number, you get someone from India. They'll go ahead and try and charge you like $250 for an issue that you can resolve by just quitting Safari and resetting Safari itself. So what we're going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to show you how to get rid of all of those things. Adware and pop-ups. Viruses, the likelihood of you receiving a virus, very highly unlikely. So let's go ahead and let's just start off this. Now, first off, I do have a little bit of an pop-up here. This is an actual pop-up. It's not adware, it's not anything, it's just one pop-up. I actually had to purposely go and get this pop-up. This is for MacKeeper. MacKeeper is a program that you do not want. If you have it, an easy way of getting rid of it is coming down to the bottom left hand corner or wherever your dock is and clicking on the Finder icon, which is this split face smiley face down here. Then you'll want to go into your applications on the left side or click on Go and then find applications down here and then go into your applications. You'll go ahead and you will find MacKeeper in the M's, but since I do not have it, it does not work for me. So all that you'd have to do is drag and drop it into trash, just like messages, but messages I can't delete, so that's why I use that one. And then there you go, you got rid of it. If you can't get rid of it because it says you need to close the program first, if you come up to the top left hand corner, click on the Apple logo, then click on Force Quit, and then you'll see MacKeeper on here. Just click on MacKeeper, and then you can go ahead and force quit MacKeeper. I'm going to just force quit Activity Monitor, and there we go. So with that force quit, we should be able to delete it. If we're not, open up Utilities in the bottom of Applications, and then double click on Activity Monitors. Then from Activity Monitor, in the top right hand corner, just type in MacKeeper, and there you go. You'll find MacKeeper right here. You'll be able to click on it, and then click this X right here, and then it'll say, do you want to quit or force quit? Click on Force Quit. Let that force quit, and then go ahead and just drag it and delete it from your Applications folder. Once that's gone, then we are good to go. So let's go ahead and let's talk about this pop-up a little bit. Let's say you got a pop-up that you cannot actually just exit out of like I can. I can leave this page or I can stay on this page. I'm going to click on Stay on Page. Now pretend that I can't go anywhere without clicking on something for this. So an easy fix for that is come up to the top left hand corner, click on the Apple logo, click on Force Quit, and then click on Safari. Force quit, then it'll say, do you want to force quit Safari or do you want to force Safari to quit? Click on Force Quit. From there, Safari will go ahead and disappear. Then we'll just go ahead and open Safari up while holding Shift on your keyboard. So you have to hold Shift, click on Safari, and it'll come up to your web page. The reason why we want to do this is because most pop-ups or most adware that you actually get, it will not let you leave that page without downloading, without calling, without doing something. So you hold Shift on your keyboard and it'll go ahead and it will open up to your home page versus opening back up to that pop-up. Then just come up to Safari in the top left hand corner, click on Clear History and Website Data, or if you're running 10.9 and below, click on Reset Safari. Reset Safari will have a list of check marks. Me personally, I like to do all, but I can say if you want to keep your top sites, go ahead and just keep your top sites. Other than that, for clearing history and website data for the rest of us, let's just go ahead and make sure that it's selected on all history and then clear history. Once we are done with that, let's go up to the top left hand corner, click on Safari, and then quit Safari. From here, Let's just reopen Safari back up, normally not holding shift on your keyboard. Now that it's back up to your home page, or for me, it's for my top sites / favorites, let's go ahead and let's just go to apple.com. Apple.com is a very easy site to test if you have pop-ups. A way that I do it is I go to Store, I let this load up fully, and then I do go to Mac after that, and then iPad, and then iPhone, and then Watch. I always skip music because music takes the longest to actually load up, which it's not loading up that bad, but it's just that kind of fade in that really does kind of bug me. So then I just click on Support. Now, if we loaded all of this without any pop-ups, besides maybe something that's from Apple, but Apple doesn't have pop-ups, it only has its web pages. If we load all of that just like we just did right now, that means that we only had a pop-up. An easy, easy, easy fix. Most of the time people only get pop-ups. But adware is a little bit more in depth. So on your top URL bar up here, just go to adwaremedic.com. From adwaremedic.com, you'll be able to download version 2.2.6. As of right now, when they update it, it may be a different version for you. So let's just go ahead and click on it. Let that download, and while this is downloading, I do want to let you know that Adware Medic is the only program that is not by Apple that Apple will recommend, just so you do know. And then from here, once it is done downloading like it is, the easiest way to open it is in the top right hand corner. Click on the black dot with an arrow pointing down, and then double click on Adware Medic. From Adware Medic, it'll go ahead and open, and then you can drag and drop it on top of your applications folder. Yours, you won't see anything happen really, but mine, since I already have Adware Medic, I do have to click on Replace, and then from here, just go ahead and double click on Applications, and double click on Adware Medic. From there, it'll say Adware Medic is an application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click on Open. From there, you can exit out of all of this, and then you can also eject Adware Medic installer by dragging it to the trash. Then from down here, it will go ahead and say Adware Medic is donationware. So go ahead and click on Not Now or Donate if you would like to. Then you can go ahead and click on Check automatically when you do get that, if you get it. If not, most of the time you get it the second time you open it. So from here, let's go ahead and just click on Scan for Adware. I don't have any adware, so it didn't detect any. If you do, then it will go ahead and pull up a list of adware. Then you just click on Select All, then select Remove All Selected. From that, it will go ahead and make you quick Safari in the background, and then it may ask you to restart your computer. Now, this is a very, very, very easy way of getting rid of adware. Sometimes that doesn't fix the issue, and a lot of times that's because it is from MacKeeper. So I will go ahead and go a little bit more in depth in my next video. So for now, this is an easy way of getting rid of adware. If you actually did not get rid of adware, go ahead and click on the screen. I do have just a video there showing you how to get rid of adware a little bit more in depth. So other than this, if this fixed your issue, and if you want to test, once again, you can go to apple.com. There we go. And then you can just select on each of these selections up here. And then once you get through all of them, you should be good to go. Now, if you go to another website, like a lot of them, most common porn websites, websites that try to sell you things like that, they do pull up the pop-ups. That's where you just go up to the top left-hand corner, click on the Apple logo, click on Force Quit, force Safari to quit, and reopen it while holding Shift on your keyboard, and it'll go straight to your home page or top sites, whichever you have set. Other than that, I do want to thank you very much for watching this video. If you did like it, go ahead and slap that like button down below. That is major help. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to. And also, if you do want to help other people, you can go ahead and share this. So, This is one way to get rid of adware. If you have any other problems, go ahead and click on in the top right hand corner. You'll go ahead and see a little bit of a video there in the preview to get rid of adware a little bit more in depth. Other than that, once again, my name is James. I'm with Mac Life Resources, and you have a wonderful rest of your day.